The last thing on my mind is the box office performance of the film. What is on my mind is that yes, we will get a certain amount of respect and appreciation.
I'm hot, you're not. I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. Galaxy, galaxy, galaxy.
An artist is always greedy for a variety of work. मैं बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि मुझे काफ़ी स्क्रिप्ट्स मिले थे, लेकिन obviously मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि सबसे पहले मैं जज्बा पर काम करना चाहती हूँ. He was very persuasive, संजय जी, and I'm very very glad on it because स्क्रिप्ट बहुत ही अच्छी है, सब्जेक्ट मटेरियल बहुत ही अच्छा है, और फिर as a combination to work with Sanjay on a subject like this was very very intriguing and exciting. जब हमने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो और नरेशन ले लिया तो जिस स्टारकास्ट को हम दोनों ने सोचा था कि इस फिल्म में एकदम परफेक्ट फिट रहेगी, हमें वही मिल गया. तो when all these elements come together perfectly, actually as a creative person you can only be thankful कि this is the team you're viewing. This is the star cast. It's his language of cinema and narrative, which is very pacey. He's very good at this thriller genre, and he's always been modern and ahead of his time in his screen narrative. And the subject material is very intense and thrilling at the same time. Yes, and we've been meaning to work together way before. Itni baar. You know, I mean, the audience knows Sanjay Gupta's work. I mean, you know his cinema, and the reason I said modern is because you date back right from when he shared his cinema with us. It always felt ahead. It always felt like he was doing something cutting edge. There was always something noteworthy in the way he. I keep saying the cinematic narrative of a subject, because a story can be said in so many different ways, and that's what makes the director's individual. And he has an individual signature.
I persuaded her husband. I went through Abhishek, and then after that, like she said, I mean, once we knew the kind of film we are trying to make, it was, you know, मैं हमेशा ये एम्फसाइज करता हूँ बात पे कि नीयत बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. जब हमें पता है कि नीयत साफ़ है, अच्छा काम करना है, एक अच्छी फिल्म बनानी है, एंड कोई ये प्रेशर नहीं था कि कम बैक फिल्म है, ऐश्वर्या राय है, वो सब, देयर वाज नन ऑफ दैट. दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली एंटायरली मीडिया मेड, एंड आई डोंट ब्लेम द मीडिया फॉर इट, इट्स ओनली नेचुरल. बट या, सो देयर वाज नेवर दैट प्रेशर, नेवर द think, you know, with this film come back. No, not that. It was a good story that came our way. We were lucky. We got a good story. We knew that. And also, it is extremely topical. It's a remake of a Korean film, not 7 Days. And I can't give you the name of the film. Vicky, हर कहानी का एक लीड कैरेक्टर होता है, एक हीरो होता है, ठीक है. इस कहानी का भी हीरो है. फ़र्क इतना है कि वो हीरोइन है, और इन द सेंस इट्स द हीरोइन इज़ द हीरो ऑफ द फिल्म, और वट एवर वे यू वुड लाइक टू पुट इट. द प्रोटैगनिस्ट, माई हीरो इज़ अ फीमेल इन दिस फिल्म, एंड you need very strong shoulders to carry it. That was the first criteria. जब कहानी मेरे पास आई भी थी, ओरिजिनल फिल्म भी मैंने देखी थी, आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर. आई सेड ये किसी के साथ में भी नहीं बना सकते. यू नीड समबडी जो किसी हीरो से कम ना हो. सो देन ऑब्वियसली शी इज़ द ऑब्वियस चॉइस.
I must tell you that he's not given me any original to watch, and I'm one to also never in favor of actually viewing any original or remake. Whether I've done books, whether I've done other stories before which are, you know, derivatives of the earlier versions, I've never been one to view them, and he never even played it out that way when he's approached me. He's come with the script of Jazba, and that's the script I've responded to, and it was his vision, and that's the movie we are making. There's been no referencing at all throughout. Very enthusiastic, eager artist is who I always am on the start, during the course of, and even at the end of the making of a film. That's my attitude. I mean, every day is what excites us to go to work, and I've always said we are blessed that our passion is our job, our careers, our professional choice. and as long as you're passionate and excited to go and work on set, that attitude remains consistent, irrespective of whether you have supposedly taken a break. A break is what? A break can be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or years. It's artists are like fish to water. I mean, it's literally from one project to the next, whatever the interim period be, and we never realize it. I mean, especially as a new mother, your time is just flying by in your life. No, and I was hoping this would be answered by my choice of work down the years. I don't think it's necessarily something. That's not my problem, it's theirs. If it's their focus, it's so be it, and if it's not, it's not. It doesn't matter. You're there doing their part. Of course, I have worked with Mickey Contractor on this film. He's the best. He's family to me. He's dear to me. And more than anything else, I don't know if the world has said this enough, or the professionals he's worked with has said this enough, but I would like to say that he's personally also fully connected there as a team player. He's not somebody just doing your face, doing your hair, and setting you up looking perfect in front of the camera. He's on board. He's there. He involves himself, and that to me, apart from the fact that he's friend and family, is very integral to the working attitude and discipline. And that, I think, worked very well with us together, because which I didn't realize before I started, but once I started, because again, as Sanjay said, he knows exactly what he's doing in terms of, I mean, with lights and filters and this, that, and grading and all of that. I mean, I wouldn't have known any of that, but that is something he would then communicate with Mickey, because that's also crucial to us, bringing a sense of realism to Anuradha. We wanted to keep it very real, and at the same time, I guess when you see it, you'll realize it. She has her polish and finesse, but at the same time, she's in a very real situation throughout this film, and the pace at which we were working. This is something I guess the viewer will never realize, but it's not easy to maintain that kind of continuity at the pace at which the narrative unfolds. So that's something we needed, somebody to be all there, and that's where we worked well as a team as well.
For me also, this was the first time working with Mickey, and it's also the first time that I've worked with a makeup artist who has been involved equally, or if not more, or rather more, into the scene than the artist. So it was not that he was there looking at Aishwarya Rai, he was there looking at Anuradha Verma.
Cinema has that impact on all of us. We are all our audience as well. So that's something we talked about for sure, as to how real we could keep it, and yet cinematic enough for the viewer to engage with the content that we were sharing in all those scenes, because that's so integral to the narrative of the subject. So that was that, in that sense, in this film was a first for me, playing a lawyer, and how we choose to enact the courtroom scenes. How do I put it? It's not about some intense study. I think it's about how I guess once you know where you are at in terms of addressing a character and addressing the moment for what it is, then that's the way you do it. I mean, lawyers are the same people. Professionally being a lawyer, you're a journalist and you're also at home. Your body language doesn't necessarily completely change in your workspace. You don't become a new person, but there is a certain discipline with which you possibly address your career of choice. So that's what you'll bring to the table in terms of body language or nuanced characterization. But that apart, you stay true to what you're really doing at that moment. And that was the brief that he gave all along.
I'll make a confession to you about the court scenes. I know that part of the film is a courtroom drama. That was always playing on my mind. You've seen it with the trailers also. The film has a very specific look. You know, the way we shot Bombay, the colors used, everything. And there's a very specific styling in terms of cinematic styling for the film, which is with the use of lenses and how we've shot it and everything. So before going on set for any of the sequences, and I may, at the cost of being modest, I have never bothered कि इसको मैं कैसे shoot करूँगा, कैसा लगे. I know it precisely. In my head, it's all there.
Visually, is a very clear
So
director.
it is
Visually what he's
edited.
doing.
But the point was, this was the only space in the whole film where I was not sure how I'm going to shoot the court scenes. Because another confession, I find most of the courtroom drama shot away boring. Because that a courtroom, may the drama has to hold in a way like, you're, I mean, this is what was in my mind, that it should hold the way action holds. And just that thought came into my mind and I said, okay, I got it. We went on set and I had a discussion with my DOP, Sameer Arya, and I said, Sam, we're shooting this like an action sequence. So there'll be random cuts. It's not going to be staged proper. Let the cameras go all over, do coverage from everywhere. No right, left, nothing. Every line there's a cut, every word there's a cut. Just pace it up so that it doesn't bore you, it doesn't drop you. So we have done that.
So as a result, we're doing the entire piece for every shot.
Yeah.
So it's like
It's
playing
very
out like
exhausting.
theatre. So it's not like, because of the edit ki yahan ek dialogue bolo, ek wahan. It was like theatre. He'd play out almost the entire scene, if not entire chunks, every time. So they were long, very exhaustive days. So in that sense, long, exhaustive days. But as actors, then that also works for us because we had to play it out like theatre. The special arrangement and all was, I think it just kind of flew out of hand with media assumptions. It's our regular van, that's it. And yes, I have taken her a couple of times, but not onto set. It's just the multitasking mother, but it's not much to make ado about or to necessarily speak about on a public platform. I guess in our vocation, we are lucky being working mothers. We can sometimes take our children to our workplace. It's an office you can, like I call my trailer the bus office. If not the other office with Aradhya. That's the term that we exchange, and that's the office we go to. And I can take her there. Not every mother, I guess, working mother can or has that, luxury or that amenity. But if we can, then I have post her school hours. And fortunately, we were making this movie in this city with a lot of on most locations which were easily accessible. So then, yeah, there was no need for me to necessarily leave her home. It wasn't all the time, as in how, but he was amazing. Even as a mother, let alone Aishwarya the actress, I was very, very happy to do this film as an actor. But even as a working mother, it was just wonderful because he's been great to work with. Yeah, he's being, I guess, a parent himself also to two adorable children. He completely knows where I'm coming from. So a lot of things were said unsaid. I didn't need to necessarily spell out in the way I wanted to plan certain days, and we could work it out together perfectly seamlessly without me even for a second hesitating to tell him that, okay, today let's work out the schedule this way, or I can arrive at this time so you can start with another portion, another part of your scene or whatever. We could work that out. So even in that sense, it just turned out to be that once I started experiencing, I realized it turned out to be the perfect choice. It was perfect. Thanks, Gops. It was really, really great. Every film has its challenges, every film has its demands, and that's what excites us.
We were actually scared as the producers. I was scared. हम लोग को डर लगा था. We were shooting at a place called Dongal, and we were doing वहाँ से जो पहली picture भी leak हुई थी इनकी, and there was a crowd of some 5,000 to 7,000 people all around, and to get to the location you have to walk for half a kilometer from the base camp. So it meant that you had to have her, Aishwarya Rai walking in that area for half a kilometer, irrespective, even if there were 50 guards. If that crowd went berserk, you could do nothing. So that was a scary one. Luckily, fortunately, nothing happened. And there were two challenges that day. The first challenge was, yes, to get your talent from there to the location, because it was a peculiar location. वो film की ज़रूरत थी. The other was कि ठीक है यार, अब ये इतना काम करना है, 2 शॉट होंगे, तीसरे शॉट में टाइम लगता है. She'll go back to the van. But I remember this clearly. She sat on the set all day. She did not move from there. And it was a bloody hot day.
Actually, he had already, but he had done the casting. That's what I said. Interestingly, when we read the script, these are the faces that I was just sharing with him aloud. I said, this is who I see. This is who I see. And he's like, this is who we have got. So I was like, that was fantastic. That's what I meant. It just all came together perfectly.
No, but to also answer your question, yes, almost everything. we have consulted on the film. She is also one of the producers of the film, for the record. So that's so. I mean, in the sense that yeah, because it's Vicky, it's a very important film. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, she may be doing it after 5 years. I sat at home for a year and a half before doing this film. So when we are back on set, there's just a hunger, you know, and that's what keeps us going. It's not about even now. The last thing on my mind is the box office performance of the film. What is on my mind is that yes, we will get a certain amount of respect and appreciation.
I don't
Yeah, he's very moody. He's always in a good mood.
very easy. He's just a wonderful actor to work with. He's everything I believed, I guess. When I said I wanted to work with him, when I saw him in this part, when you see the way the dialogues are written, you see Irfan. You see Irfan rendering these lines in his classical way, which is very, very strong and makes his point, and yet it is with such ease. It has his own charisma, which is very real for us in a commercial film, if that's what you want to say. It's that sense of realism with its own sense of drama is so integral to the way these dialogues will be rendered, to the way Johan, that's the name of his character, is essayed. I kept smiling and saying, I said, Irfan, you're a bad habit man to work with, I mean, really, we were discussing other people who had spoken to us independently before that. And we were glad this is where we have started working together. And I keep saying started because I really hope we work together a lot more ahead. Oh, fab. Shabana ji and me, we have worked together in the past. We have interacted a lot. We've done a lot in terms of, I've worked with her on Mijban and so on and so forth. We know each other over the years. She had met me at the very beginning of my career. In fact, she had met me for a film at her place. And every time I look at her, I keep saying, God, I still remember those. Her eyes are amazing. And at that time also she had told me, baby, it's being about at the right place at the right time. And she had given me such a lot of, that she was talking to me, but that turned out to be advice at the start of my career. And today here we were working together on a film I would have always imagined working with her on. It's the kind of subject I would have imagined working with her on. She's just, the name of her character is Garima ji in this film, and it's just perfect for her.
No, two. There's of course Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, and my personal favorite is Raincoat.
See how interesting his choices are, and that's what makes working with him so interesting. It's difficult for us as actors to pick just favorites, but these two will definitely rank very, very high up there and very, very close to my heart. Both characters very dear, both filmmakers I've had a blast working with, I have had a very intense relationship with.
It's not that you feel angry about it or upset about it. It's just love at the end of the day.
For the love. I mean, at the end of the day, exactly.
That's what is pouring.
That's the attitude,
so the whole point is, I mean, just now I saw some bouncers with those kids pushing me. I said, relax.
Yeah, relax. Exactly.
That nobody's coming forward with a bad intention. Yeah. They're not coming to harm you. They just love you. They're screaming for you, reaching out to you. So it's just that, handle with care. And that is the brief even to the security on set. That as long as it doesn't come in the way of work, let them be. Yeah. Why bother?
My characters, since I've named Shabana ji's and Irfan's character's name, my character is Anuradha Verma, and she's a lawyer. Even Atul ji plays a lawyer, so I play defense, he plays prosecution, the prosecutor. Well, that was a first for me for sure, and that's something we did talk about as to how exactly we would play out the court scenes. Because he has had a lot of experience actually going to the court, so he would share that. I've barely had one brief one. Working with Karan, again, meant to all the filmmakers meant to be, but at different points in time of my career it just didn't work out, and here we are working together, but on a subject like this, which is a love story, but it still is different. So it's nice to be getting to do a part like that in his Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And then of course Sarabjit with Umang. I mean, you can well gauge the content matter there on a subject as strong as that. So a good variety to work with.
I'm hot, you're not. I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar.